Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix an external hard drive that is not showing up in my computer on Windows. First, connect your external hard drive to your computer. Next, check Disk Management. Right-click on the Start button and click Disk Management. Wait a few seconds for the list to load. Look for your external drive in the bottom section. It may show up without a drive letter. If you see it, but there is no letter, right-click on the drive and choose Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add, choose a letter, and click OK. The drive should now appear in my computer. If the drive shows as offline, right-click on it and choose Online. If it shows as unallocated, right-click and choose New Simple Volume, then follow the steps on the screen. Be careful because this can delete data if the drive is new or empty. If you do not see the drive in Disk Management, check Device Manager. Right-click Start and open Device Manager. Expand disk drives and look for your external hard drive. If you see a yellow mark, right-click and choose Update Driver. You can also try uninstalling the device and restarting your computer. Another thing to try is disabling USB power saving. Open Device Manager, expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers, right-click each USB root hub, go to Power Management, and uncheck the power saving option. If none of these steps work, test the drive on another computer. This helps confirm if the drive itself is faulty. Thanks for watching.